In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Looker Studio with Google Sheets. We're going to walk through the basic process of connecting a spreadsheet to Looker Studio so you can start building charts and reports with your data. If you've never used Looker Studio before, don't worry. This setup is very beginner-friendly. And once your sheet is connected, you can visually explore your data without needing to do anything complicated. First, open Looker Studio once you are on the home page. Click Create and then choose Report. This starts a new report and brings you directly into the setup process. Right away, you should see a prompt asking you to add data to the report. This is where you choose the source that will power your charts and tables. From the list of available connectors, go to the Google Connectors section and select Google Sheets. Since your spreadsheet lives in Google Sheets, this is the connector you need. If it's your first time connecting, Looker Studio may ask you to authorize access to your account. Go ahead and allow the permissions so the platform can view the spreadsheet data you want to use in your report. After that, you'll be able to browse your files. You can look under areas like files you own, files shared with you, or even connect by URL if needed. Find the spreadsheet you want to use, then select the specific worksheet or tab inside that file. This part is important because Looker Studio connects to the exact tab you choose, not just the spreadsheet in general. Next, review the configuration options. In most cases, you should leave Use First Row as headers checked. This helps Looker Studio recognize your column names correctly, which makes your fields much easier to work with later. If your sheet includes extra blank rows, summary sections, or data off to the side that you don't want included, you can manually enter a cell range. This is a useful way to keep your report clean and focused only on the data you actually want to analyze. Once everything looks good, click Add in the bottom right corner. At that point, your Google Sheet will be connected to the report. Looker Studio will turn your columns into fields, including dimensions and metrics. And you can begin dragging and dropping them into charts, scorecards, and tables to build your dashboard. That's the full connection process. Keep your sheet organized, make sure your headers are clear, and your reporting experience will be much smoother. Thanks for watching.